The next step is to introduce the slicing process of the Magic HTM machine. So when we first use this machine and install its slicing software for the first time, we need to get the SD card. In the SD card there are 010203 folders. First we open the 01 folder. In the 01 folder, we find the installer. We double-click or right-click to open it for installation. Click to follow the installation wizard. We click on the next step to select a suitable destination folder. Be careful not to select the C drive. Install from a disk other than the C drive. After selecting the appropriate disk during the installation process, note that the installation directory should not be selected. No Chinese characters. Once set up, we click Install. After installation, a software opening is automatically performed. Then when the software opens, we will see an agreement box that the user agrees to. We just click Agree. After Agree, we will then see such a window for a new printer. Then select the new Magic HTM model in this position. Select the previous box and click Add. After adding, we select the Settings button to choose General Settings. Here we select English as the language of choice. Click Close. After that, we restart our software. Reopen our software. At this point, we will get our English interface. In the English interface, we introduce our software. First, it has some project bar files and an operation bar for the software. Operation projects can be found here, and the following is a preview of the model with an item bar, and our selection of printer models, also the filament choice, with the choice of our slice configuration parameters. After we import a model, on the lower left side when we select the model, it will also have some model transformation functions. For example, zoom in and out, etc. I will then take the initiative to introduce you the process of slicing. So the first step is to import the model. To import the model, we click on Open. Click on our STL file. Notice that it supports a three-dimensional format named as STL. After imported the model, place it at an ideal position. You can get a higher success rate. After placing, let's move to the second step. Select a suitable parameter for printing. If we are using it for the first time, we will not have a custom parameter in this location. Then we need to select Manage Profiles. In the Manage Profiles section, select the Import Profile. Find the 02 folder from the SD card. This is what we ship randomly. With one of the printing parameters, we select one of the PLA parameters. Click Import. At this point, we will find, within our custom configuration parameters, we find a file that we just imported. Then we import the other files in turn. Once we've finished importing the files, we just need to add the file in our configuration file field. Profile field to find our print parameter that just imported for the required PLA. After selecting, then here will show our PLA. Just click on the slice and save our file. We can save it by clicking on Save, and we'll get our corresponding configuration. Code parameter. We can select these three places in the device to print.